know if you guys can hear me, but just taking a 2-track out to the next trail, which I think they call the East Loop. Not sure. I'll find out. All the people you meet, guys. So this guy in front of me, JL Chafin, I've been friends with him on Facebook for the last 3 years, ever since the first time I came down here to ride, but this is actually the first time I've got to meet him. And you know, we make so many friends online through dirt bikes, and it's moments like these where you actually get to put the faces with the names that just makes the traveling dirt bike, it just makes everything so worth it. I love it.
Alright guys, so this was our final trail of the day. This was again at Natra in West Point, Tennessee, and this loop was probably my favorite out of all of them. They're all good, but this is the East Loop. This is the longest one of the day, and I think they were telling me it's like 20 some miles. I want to say 22, but regardless, this is the trail out of all of them that had the most elevation change and the most off camber, especially maybe in the middle. Let's just say the second half of the trail. Just, I know you guys won't be able to tell by the video, but some good elevation changes and a lot of off camber on the hill climbs and whatnot. So yeah, this is by far my favorite trail. So this is kind of a longer video than normal. It's about 20 minutes long. Hope you guys enjoy, and this will be the last of my footage from Tennessee. And yeah, what a blast. Hope to get back there next year and maybe ride the other side. So this was all the trails we rode here on this day were on the east side of Natra, and they still have, I've never explored the west side, which the west side is huge, but I think they said a lot of the trails were closed down and stuff due to logging or something like that. So possibly the following year when we get down there, maybe the other side's open. That'd be really cool because I've never been on that side. But yeah, again, this place is huge. I know I've said it in one of the other Tennessee videos. This place is just under 5,000 acres, so we've barely touched this place. So anyways, I'll let you guys watch the rest of the video. Make sure you subscribe. I'm gonna have a bunch of Georgia videos coming. I know the Alabama video is already out, but yeah, and maybe in the future I can get some videos on the other side. So with that being said, I'll let you guys watch the video, and thanks for watching. Okay guys, so right at the bottom here I seen this uphill, so what I did is I downshifted really quick, and I just downshifted to give it the beans, and as soon as I downshifted I hit a rock or a road. I don't know what I hit, but it kind of bounced me up in the air and I just lost all momentum. It was just
you're good.
one of the many mistakes I made on the day, but it's all good. It was so much fun.
But then I still got out of shape.
Hill's a lot steeper than it looks too, but yeah, this section through here was really fun.
I knew that one was happening. I don't know what happened there.
Hey man, it happened to all of us.
Yeah.
Yeah, I was gonna come help you, but I came up to the top and I'm like,
I think that means I'm getting tired. Yeah, I looked up and seen a nice little climb. I'm like, oh cool, I clicked it down and then I got out of shape.
got that street grip.
All right. Right here. You lose sight. Oh, there's one. Whoa. Yeah.
Take your time, boys. Take your time.
Well, that was the first one today. All right.
It's on a route.
Yeah. route.